Hello everyone, I am Berkay Karadeniz. Today I will introduce you our program Guessing Game. Before starting, I want to thank my friends Ebrar Durucan, Simay Avcu and Vedat Yıldırım. We have created this program together. Our program has two different game options. We have created Guess the Number and Guess the Alphabet modes and converted them into one program, Guessing Game. Our program's concept is asking the user to guess a randomly generated number or alphabet within a given range depending on the chosen level. There are three levels of difficulty, easy, medium and hard, with different numbers of chances to guess depending on the level. If the user guesses the number or alphabet correctly within the given chances, they win the game. The user should choose a level and then play the game. There are given hints in the form of vowel or consonant for the alphabet guesses. If the user loses the guess the number or guess the alphabet game, they will lose. After each game, the user is asked whether they want to play again at the same level, choose another level or go back to the menu. Each game mode has different options. As for the game of guessing the number, each level determines the range of the numbers and chances are changing. As for the guess the alphabet game, the letters are A to Z in English alphabet, and also users are able to check if the letter is a consonant or a vowel by pressing the question mark. We have used C++ programming language, and I will explain that why we did use this programming language for creating this game. The first reason is C++ provides us good performance. C++ is a fast language that allows developers to write code that can run quickly and efficiently, which is important in games where the speed is critical. The second reason is control. C++ language provides a high degree of control over hardware, making it possible to optimize code for specific systems and take advantage of low-level features that other languages may not provide. The other reason is portability. C++ is a portable language, which means that the code written in C++ can be easily ported to different platforms without having to rewrite the entire codebase. Familiarity. C++ is a widely used programming language with a large community of developers, making it easier for the game developers to find resources and help when needed. Object-oriented programming. C++ supports object-oriented programming, which is useful for organizing complex game code into manageable, modular components. Memory management. C++ provides low-level memory management, which allows developers to optimize their memory usage and reduce overhead. Overall, C++ offers game developers the speed, control, and flexibility they need to create high-performance games that can run on a wide range of platforms. Our program starts with menu, which has 5 different sections: guess the number, guess the alphabet, high score, credit, and exit. When the user chooses to guess the number, the program will display another 3 options, which is difficulty level. Players are able to choose easy, medium, or hard level to play the game mode. These levels determine of playing style. Each level gives different chances of guess to users and also has different numbers of range. For example, easy mode gives users 50 chances and the number of range they should guess is between 1 and 50. The program will give feedbacks if the guess is too high or too low, and the game mode will end if the user runs out of tries, and our system will keep track of the number of attempts and add them into the corresponding score list, depending on the difficulty level. If the user selects Guess the Alphabet mode, firstly, user selects a difficulty level as the same as the Guess the Number game mode. This time, difficulty level determines only user's chances. Each difficulty level gives users different chances to guess the correct letter. When the user makes a guess, the program gives information if the letter is a lower or higher order than the correct letter. We have also added a hint option to help users to know about the letter, whether it is a vowel or a consonant. And always as same as the guessed number, our system will keep track of numbers of attempts and add them into the corresponding score list depending on the difficulty level. So let's start the game and let me explain what is happening on the console screen. Firstly, when the user runs the program, our menu appears with 5 different options: guess the number, guess the alphabet, high score, credit, and the exit. The user must enter a valid number to continue to run the program. Entering a value out of 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 causes a trouble, and our system warns them to enter a valid number again. After selecting the guess the number mode, users should choose a difficulty level. As I have mentioned before, the levels determine how many chances of guesses the user has. And also, if the user enters an invalid number after choosing the guess the number mode, it causes a trouble and our system warns them to enter a valid number again to select the proper difficulty level. When the users choose easy level, they will have 5 chances to guess the correct number between 1 and 50. After selecting the level, an instruction appears on the screen and gives information about the game mode. And our system gives information to players that how many chances they have and also in which range of numbers they should make a guess. If the user makes a wrong guess, the system warns them that that was a wrong guess and displays if the number is higher or lower than the randomly generated number. Each wrong guess decreases 1 chances of user, and after each wrong guess, our system displays how many chances they have left. If the user makes a correct guess without spending all of their chances, the system will display that the game has been won. Our system stores the highest score of at which attempt they have found the number, and after the game ends, the system displays user's highest score. After finishing the game, the menu appears on the screen again. Also, the users are able to check their scores by pressing 3 on the menu. When the users select the medium level by pressing 2 after choosing the guess the number mode, this time they will have 4 chances of guess, and randomly generated number will be between 1 and 30. So players need to remember how many attempts they have and number of range. But each time the user selects a different level, our system always warns them that how many chances they have and what is the number of range they should guess. If the user loses the game at medium level, our system displays a message that the game has been lost. Our system also reveals the number that user is searching for. Whether the user wins or loses the game, the system always displays menu after the game ends. As for the hard level, it has 3 chances to find the correct number between 1 and 40. If the user loses the game, the system warns them that they have been lost and displays what was the number they were searching for. After ending the game, the system displays the menu again. After, if the user wants to play the alphabet game, they should press 2 on keyboard. After selecting the game mode, like guess the number mode, users must choose a difficulty level, easy, medium, or hard. But for this example, if the user enters a number other than 1, 2, 3, this will cause a trouble since this is an invalid option and the menu runs again. If the user chooses easy level for guess the alphabet mode, the system displays an instruction according about guess the alphabet mode. Easy mode gives users 50 chances to guess the correct letter. Each wrong guess will decrease users' chances by 1. After guessing a letter, our system always tells if that letter has a lower or higher order than the correct letter. The game tells users that they have no chance after using their 50 chances of guess. Also, when the user loses the game, the correct answer is written on the screen with a message. This example shows how useful the hint option can be. After learning that the letter is a consonant by pressing question mark, the user got close to the correct letter. Also, this example shows that guessing the letter E after learning that the letter is a consonant is unnecessary, since E is a vowel. Maybe the user may learn that the correct letter is higher than the E letter, but the players should use their guesses carefully. In medium level, users has 10 chances to guess the correct letter, and as always, an instruction appears on the screen to tell about the game mode. Even though the hint option helps you to have an information about the letter, it may not be easy to find the correct letter all the time. In this scenario, if the user enters a letter which is not in the English alphabet, their chances will be reduced. Users should be careful when guessing the letter if it is included in the English alphabet. When the user makes the correct guess in medium level, the system displays that they have won and runs the menu automatically. And as for all the difficulty levels, highest score for the game will be displayed on the screen. As for the hard difficulty level, our program gives 5 chances to users to guess the correct letter. In the hard level, users are also able to use the hint option. In this example, thanks to the hint option, the user can learn that the letter is a vowel, and even though it is a hard level and the chances of guesses are limited, the user have found the letter easier. After playing the hard level without spending all of the user's chances, if the user wins the game, a message will appear on the screen that telling you won the game. If the user loses the hard level game mode, our system displays that you lost and shows that what was the letter they were searching for. After that, as always, the menu option occurs again. And pressing 3 on the menu shows user scores on the screen. Users are able to check their highest scores with this selection. Also, our menu's fourth option is the credit. By pressing the 4 on the menu, users are able to check the credit section, which shows information about the program's creators. If you want to finish the game, our fifth option provides you to exit the game. Players are able to press 5 to end the game, but they need to be careful. Starting the game after exiting deletes all the scores that are stored in the system. And that's it. Trying to find the correct number or alphabet may seem kinda hard, but the feeling of victory after finding them with lots of times is worth the play. I think the player's struggle is enjoyable thanks to the informations you get after each guess, such as if they are lower or higher, vowel or consonant, rather than just trying to guess a random character. And this program is created with C++ programming language as we mentioned, by Ebrar Durucan, Simay Avcu, Vedat Yıldırım and myself. Thanks you for watching.